guys, so today I'm going to be making cupcakes. So yeah, this is going to be a very nice video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, the ingredients are listed on the screen right now. So yeah, the 2 medium eggs, 100 grams of baking spread, 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you want, and 50 grams of any suitable fruit. I use peaches. Okay guys, so the first step is to preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or gas 5. Okay guys, after you preheat the oven, you will need to sieve flour and sugar together into a bowl. After you do that, you can add the eggs, the spread and the vanilla mix together with an electric whisk or a normal whisk. Okay guys, so the picture you see on screen right now is the picture that you should see when you mix everything together. So yeah, this is, I'm pretty sure you did the easy bits right now. Now let's get into hard bits, the baking. But before that, I put some peaches in, like I cut them into bits, and then I put them into the mixture, just to add a little bit of flavor to it. Okay, now let's put our mixture and the peaches combined into our cups. Then put it in the oven and wait there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it should look like this.